Oh, did you feel that?
Yeah, the old wiggle room.
A little bit of the old wiggle way in the wet in a 325 IS. That was me driving that iconic 325 IS in 2018. Now, since then that car's been written off, and there's no news yet if BMW is going to rebuild it. We can only hope. Now, I was there when BMW got the news that that car was written off. Now, I know in the movies where people are sitting in like this boardroom or whatever, and the phone starts ringing, and one person's phone rings, everybody's phone starts ringing. That is exactly what happened that day. I think it was my buddy Nisham, or could have been Nicholas, that sent me the WhatsApp message, and I will never forget the look on the BMW PR's face when that message came through. They really cared about that car, and they put a lot of hard work and effort into that car. So I know you guys love the car. I put a poll up on Instagram and Facebook. The response was overwhelming, and you guys actually wanted to see this. So here is the unseen footage of the BMW 325 IS and the 333. And if you want to see the original action-packed video... Oh no! Oh no! I've left the link in the description below. Don't forget, this week is the last week to enter the ACGL BMW M-Fest competition to win that 50,000 Rand prize. And also, go check out the M-Fest website to find out more details about M-Fest coming up in October. Cheers. I never forget getting to this venue. I remember the cars were parked on the side, and just to the right of the cars was a little coffee table, and we had to go get our snacks and stuff, and I actually tripped on my way to the snacks because I was looking at the cars parked on the side. I couldn't wait to get close to them, but I wanted to just reset first and then really enjoy the moment of walking up to these cars for the first time. It was nice to get up close to these cars, to see the BBS wheels and the Alpino wheels up close, and the fit and finish. It was as if these cars were brand new and I was there in the 90s and 80s to go check it out. My turn to drive would come soon, but first I'd have to watch the cars from the outside, and I was actually filming this through the sunroof of a brand new 3 Series. But let's see what it sounds like. Here we go. Okay, limiter, here we go. 6.5. And here we go. 6,600 RPM. Oh my goodness. We drove this car through, I was sitting passenger in this car earlier on, driving through Soweto, and people were losing their minds. People are literally stopping and staring to look at this car. And the fact that we got another one behind us. Here comes the 333 now. Oh, we got the thumbs up from that guy as well. That is so cool. I'm in a collectible, very rare BMW 325 IS, and it is raining at the moment. Now that could be either a very good thing or a very bad thing.
I'm guessing a good.
Yeah, this one, it's 145 kilowatt one. Even in the rain, you got to get the revs all the way up, pop the clutch, and then the back will wiggle a little bit. But that's about as brave as I'm willing to get right now with this car. I am tempted, I ain't gonna lie, but I won't.
There's a lot of stuff to hit around here.
There's a lot of stuff.
There's a couple of Audis, Opels,
The weird thing is that this car is more expensive than all of these cars around us here.
put together.
It's weird, eh?
Yeah.
Especially considering that I don't think this car can be replaced. For the most part, I was sitting passenger in the 333i. There was a problem with the fuse, but I did get to drive it very briefly. The car did overheat though, and if you want to see all the drama that unfolded there, go check out the original video with the link in the description. I hate giving impressions from the passenger seat, it's lame, but this might be the closest any of us get to driving a 333. I'm just gonna sit here like an asshole and tell you guys what it's like. First things first, dogleg gearbox. It looks strange, it looks a bit difficult to get the hang of, eh?
No, it's actually very nice. I mean, first is down and to the left,
Yeah.
and it actually feels really good. And that obviously lines up 2 and 3 for
Fast shifting.
fast shifting, if you're into that kind of thing. That's proper right now, eh?
Yeah, no, you're in the wrong car.
We're laughing now.
Growing up, the 325RS was the dream car. And the fact that I've got to experience driving one of those, especially in that condition, I'll never forget that as long as I live. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on car stuff happening in Cape Town and South Africa. Peace.